Mamata Banerjee's behavior on foreign soil, and that too somebody who holds a constitutional position of chief minister, is disgraceful to say the least. When the moderator tells her that India has overtaken the UK economy, is the fifth largest economy, and will become the largest economy, she has a problem with that. She says, I differ with that. Imagine a chief minister of India, Indian state, saying on foreign soil that she has a problem with India becoming the largest economy. Who does that? This is called the Bharat Berating Brigade. They go on foreign soil and they berate Bharat, Bharat's institutions, Bharat's economy, Bharat's Loktantra. Only because they have a problem with one party, they will do virod of the entire country. And when she had to face tough questions from many people, youngsters especially, on the RG Kar case, the way Bengal government handled it, Bengal police did a cover-up. When she had to handle questions on the post-poll violence, the atrocities on Hindus, the kind of corruption that is taking place under her watch, the entire collapse of West Bengal under her governance, then instead of addressing those questions, she started saying it's political protest. She started accusing the youngsters themselves. This is the intolerance of Mamata Banerjee. Anytime she is asked a difficult question, the police is unleashed on them, because this time they could not unleash the West Bengal police or they could not unleash the goons of TMC. Now she is coloring the questions itself with political motive. But the fact of the matter is that even India's achievements were undermined by her on foreign soil.
देखिए, ये तो पहले से मालूम था। मैंने भी बोला था कि ममता बनर्जी लंदन जा रहे हैं, भाषण देंगे, तो वहाँ के लोग पूछेंगे आरजीकर में क्या हुआ। आज आरजीकर जैसा घटना तो पूरे बंगाल में हो रही है। महिलाओं की कोई सुरक्षा नहीं। सबसे नाबालिग का शादी लड़कियों की बंगाल में हो रही है। हजारों लड़कियां प्रेग्नेंट है, अंडर एज। क्यों हो रहा है? ये क्या चल रहा है समाज में? ये सबको मालूम है। तो वो अगर प्रश्नों कोई करेगा, उत्तर देना है। आप बिगड़ जाएंगे, नाराज हो जाएंगे, कौन छोड़ेगा आपको?
एक्चुअली ममता बंदोपाध्याय मानसिक रूप से, उनका अपना मानसिक रूप से इंडियन नहीं है। उसका कल्चर हो गया बांग्लादेशी चाय से, उसका कल्चर हो गया एगेंस्ट इंडिया, उनका कल्चर हो गया। कभी इंडिया के लिए कुछ किया ही नहीं। वो तोड़फोड़ करते हैं। वो उनका कल्चर, उसका कोई भी रिलेटिव का फॉरेन में पैसा है, इसलिए वो विदेशी एजेंसी जैसे बोल रहे वो काम कर रहे हैं बस।
You killed Abhaya.
Don't behave like this.
You killed Abhaya.
Don't behave like this. It is a misbehaving.
This is not Calcutta.
You are insulting your own institution. Don't disrespect your institution. You can disrespect me, but you cannot disrespect your institution. I am humble. You cannot disrespect.
For inviting a rape upon you killed Abhaya. You killed Abhaya.
I am so happy.
You killed Abhaya.